Okay, we're talking.
Putting yourself out there can be nerve-wracking, but...
Putting yourself out there can be nerve-wracking. So on a monthly calendar, you often have missing days, because the first of the month will be, somewhere in the middle of the week, and the last of the month will be somewhere at the end. And so you have these missing days. And time doesn't really work like that, it just keeps going. Also, why is Saturday and Sunday on opposite ends of the week? They're, mentally much more together. And so what if the calendar was 5 days, and then 2 weekend days, and then another 5 days, and then another 2 weekend days? That way you have 2 weeks at a time. 2 rows of 2 weeks makes a month, roughly, and then all the way down. And the only really kind of important thing to poke out a little is the first of the month for bills or rent or something like that. And so really what you get is the first day of the year is up here, and then it goes all the way down, and the very last day of the year is on the bottom. And it also kind of gives you a sense of time that it just keeps going. It just goes and goes and goes. Also, seeing the entire year ahead of you is a bit motivating in the sense that it doesn't look like that much time. And so as a result, you end up, kind of like moving a bit.